Do you want to grow your online business without wasting time or money? The Millionaire Partner System shows you how to do it smarter, not harder. First, it helps you build a solid foundation. You'll create a website, landing pages, and funnels designed to attract visitors and turn them into customers, even if you've never built one before. Second, you'll learn how to pick the right products or services. The system guides you to high demand niches so your effort pays off from day one. Then you'll create powerful marketing campaigns. With its built-in templates, you can launch emails, social posts, or ads quickly. Everything's designed to be plug and play. Automation is the secret weapon. Instead of manually sending emails or following up with customers, the system handles it for you, saving you hours and keeping your business running 24/7. You'll also learn to analyze your campaigns. Simple dashboards show you what's working so you can tweak your strategy and grow your profits faster. Finally, the system teaches you how to scale up. That means more reach, more customers, and more income, all while keeping things simple. So if you're serious about accelerating your online business, click the link below and sign up through my link. It's your chance to grow smarter and faster.